Graphing a linear function and equation. Graphing a linear function can be done in three ways. It can be done in a table of values using x and y slope-intercept form. I chose the table of values because that's what I believe is the easiest. You can graph a linear function by only having 2 points. And the points may be chosen as x and y intercept of the graph. In my diagram to the right, it says a linear function and it gives an equation y equals 3x plus 5. So you're solving for y. So for this one, you're going to plug all the x values, and that is what's going to help you get the y values. And then once you do that, you will graph it. When the function is linear, then there's a common difference between each of the y values. So obviously each y value is different, so that is why it's linear. Graphing a linear function, make sure the linear equation is in y equals mx plus b form. Plot the b number on the y-axis, and then convert m into a fraction for the negative side or positive, whatever one it is. Start extending the line from b using slope or rise over 1, whatever way you learned. Continue extending the line using a ruler and being sure to use the slope m as a guide. To the right, it just gives a couple examples of what your slope would be and what your y value would be. So y equals 3x minus 1. Your m would be 3, and then your b would be negative 1. And then y equals 5 minus 1/2 x. Obviously, it would be negative 1/2, and then b would be a 5. In the last slide, I just have an example of what it would look like once you graph y equals 2x plus 3. So if you look at the axis of the y is plotted at 3, then you go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and so on and so forth until you have reached your slope. Thank you.